maybe get dumped as we step into a world bursting with there's something here for everyone. So grab a friend, bring your biggest smile, and get ready to celebrate the
Share the joy, joy, joy.
Welcome to Peach Mango Pie-Palooza, the happiest, prettiest, flakiest celebration of Jollibee's iconic chunky peach mango pie, right here at the dessert museum. Since 1995, this golden-crusted treat has been making hearts and tummies sing with its crispy, flaky shell and warm, gooey filling made from real peaches and sweet, locally grown Philippine mangoes. It's the perfect combo of peach mango goodness. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a local favorite. The peach mango pie is now a global superstar, spreading joy from the Philippines to the US, Canada, Singapore, Vietnam, the UAE, and beyond. That's right, this Jollibee pie is gone worldwide. Here at Peach Mango Pie-Palooza, we're serving up more than just delicious facts. Get ready to laugh, play, and maybe get dumped as you step into a world bursting with flavor, color, and fun. Whether you're learning about the or diving into sweets for everyone. So grab a friend, bring your biggest smile, and get ready to celebrate the dessert that's been making memories for nearly 30 years. Let's get this chunky peach mango pie party started.
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na, tana,